The next element in info online is going to be releases and procedures, the TSPs. Sometimes we get the question of what do you do when the dealer or the OEM modifies a repair procedure, or when they have a callback, or when they have an adjustment in tolerances. Well, that's what this module is for. Every time that you get a Jaltest update, all the information that has come out in recent times is going to be updated for these specific systems. So as we adjust and as the OEM adjusts, more information gets put in there. What does it look like? Well, pretty much it's like a technical bulletin. So if you get the image, you zoom in on it, it'll tell you the different engine types, kilopascals, you can always change it, and in H2O, here you have it. If you want to go to another one, let's say the catalyst cleaning, we're going to click on it and we're going to see what it reads out. They're all going to have that PDF format where it shows you the step-by-step procedure, or it's going to go into what we're used to on the troubleshooting trees. Collapse, show you the information, show you what you have to do to modify them. Okay, so it's pretty in detailed. And that way, even if you're not an OEM dealer, which most of us aren't, we have the necessary information to be able to do that. Again, remember the hyperlinks take you to the action that needs to be carried out. In this case, it's for a region. So you would click the region, go about the region, and then you would be done. So important how releases and procedures continue to update the modifications that the OEM does so that you always have the information that you need at your hand.